Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Welcome back, students. Today we will learn vegetables name.
Onion,
Onion,
tomato,
tomato,
garlic,
garlic,
ginger,
ginger,
bell pepper,
bell pepper,
artichoke,
artichoke,
broccoli,
broccoli,
cauliflower,
cauliflower,
cabbage,
cabbage,
corn,
corn,
carrot,
carrot,
cucumber,
cucumber,
daikon radish,
daikon radish,
arugula,
arugula,
asparagus,
asparagus,
beet,
beet,
bok choy,
bok choy,
Brussels sprouts,
Brussels sprouts,
celery,
celery,
chard,
chard,
collard greens,
collard greens,
eggplant,
eggplant,
endive,
endive,
fennel,
fennel,
green beans,
green beans,
kale,
kale,
kohlrabi,
kohlrabi,
leek,
leek,
lettuce,
lettuce,
mushroom,
mushroom,
okra,
okra,
parsnip,
parsnip,
peas,
peas,
potato,
potato,
pumpkin,
pumpkin,
radish,
radish,
rhubarb,
rhubarb,
rutabaga,
rutabaga,
spinach,
spinach,
squash,
squash,
sweet potato,
sweet potato,
tomatillo,
tomatillo,
turnip,
turnip,
watercress,
watercress,
zucchini,
zucchini,
arrowroot,
arrowroot,
chayote,
shallot,
chives,
chives,
edamame,
edamame,
jicama,
jicama,
parsley,
parsley,
parslane,
parslane,
radicchio,
radicchio,
romanesco,
romanesco,
tatsoi,
tatsoi,
wasabi.
wasabi.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos.